Today we're going to review foam rolling. The first thing I'm going to do is loosen up the front of my thighs. It's a simple technique. You're going to put the foam roller in front of you, put your hands out, and you're going to roll between the top of the thigh and just above your knees, just rolling backwards and forwards, up and down. We usually say about 10 times or so. If your quads are really tight, you might want to cross one leg over the other and work that way. Then you're going to do the outer part of the thighs. So the IT bands, which tend to get very tight, particularly if you've decided to take on running to keep your cardio going, your IT bands might be getting extra tight. So again, going from the just above, below the hip to just above the knee is a great way to loosen it up, again, about 10 times. You'll want to do both sides, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show that one side. Then the hamstrings, back and forth. You can even do your calf muscles this way. It's a little bit harder, a little bit more arm and ab work, but that's okay. Just back and forth. And then my favorite, I love to loosen up my back using my foam roller. So what I'm going to do is put my foam roller near my lower back. And I'm just going to lie up and over and go back and forth, kind of crab walking back and forth. I like to keep my hands behind my head so that I can let my neck relax. I go from between my shoulder blades all the way down my rib cage and into my lower back, just loosening everything up, back and forth. And that one feels really good. And that one, as I said, is my favorite. I hope that's just a nice quick review of what you have been doing while you're at home. I hope you are doing well while you're social distancing.